Hello, and welcome to this Pitco informational video on the spin fry controller. In this video, we will cover the added features of the i12 controller on the Pitco spin fry unit, including programming and diagnostic changes. When you first turn the controller on, the unit will run a system test. At the end of the system test, the basket will rise to the spin position and then lower itself back to the load position. The controller should then read ready, melt, or heating. Changing spin times and spin rates for each timer button is a very easy process. While the display reads ready, heat, or melt and there are no timers running, press the P key followed by the clock key. The display will illuminate each programmable timer and will read Select Product. In this display, we are going to change the number 1 timer key. We will change the spin rate to 350 RPM and the spin time to 30 seconds. With Select Product on the display, press key number 1 and then the clock key twice. Display should read SR1 for spin rate and the current RPM setting. Use the numeric keys to change this to the desired RPM setting. Press the clock key 3 more times and the display should read ST1 for spin time and displays the current spin time. Use the numeric keys to adjust the spin time. Once all items are set correctly, press the clock key repeatedly until the display shows Select Product, and then you can continue to make the same changes on more timers as necessary. We will now review the added spin diagnostic. This menu is used to determine the functionality of the controller outputs and inputs. All outputs in the on state should produce a 22-volt DC signal at the appropriate pins on the controller connector. Controller inputs can be verified by the on or off state of the indicator above each product key. To enter the spin diagnostics, the display must read ready, melt, or heating and have no timers running. Press the P key and enter the 4-digit code of 1993. The display should now read factory. Press product key number 9 to enter the spin diagnostic menu. Once in the spin diagnostics menu, button L toggles the motor from the off position to the on position. Button number 1 turns the motor on and allows you to check each RPM level from 60 to 500 RPMs in 10 RPM increments. Button number 2 lowers the RPM by 10 and button L turns the motor off. Button number 5 activates the indicator light to show if the lid is being sensed open or closed. In the closed position, the light above key number 5 is illuminated and the display reads door closed. In the open position, the light is off and the display reads door open. Buttons number 9, 0, and R represent the 3 basket positions. Pressing number 9 will send the lift to the cook position and the light above key number 6 will illuminate. Pressing key 0 will send the lift to the load position and the light above key 7 will illuminate. Pressing key L will send the lift to the spin position and the light above key number 8 will illuminate. When you are finished programming spin times, RPMs, and or the diagnostic menu, press the P key repeatedly to return to the main display. The display should read heating, melt, or ready. Thank you for watching. This concludes this informational video on the Pitco spin fryer.